The first method of searching for an individual in Biography, Gale in Context is to use the database's main search box. Begin entering the name of a person you would like to research, and the database should begin offering search suggestions. Suggestions in bold indicate that a topic page exists on that person. Select the suggested name to begin your research. Should an individual's name appear as a search suggestion, but without the bold type, it is still advisable to select the name, as it will lead you to all of the information sources in the database that have been tagged with that individual's name. The database also offers a person search feature. In this special search area, you can specify certain biographical criteria to retrieve individuals that match your search parameters. Another way to search the database is to select the Browse People link in the main toolbar. The page that follows displays all of the individuals with topic pages. A topic category drop-down menu lets you choose a specific category of individuals to narrow down to, should you prefer to browse for biographies in a special category. Select a name to get started. Topic pages in Biography, Gale in Context begin with the biographical overview of the individual. Following this overview will be an area with links to the different types of information sources tagged with that individual, along with the number of sources available in each category. Depending on the individual, sources will include biographies, academic journal articles, primary sources, magazine and news articles, and more. The remainder of this page lists featured information sources. And lastly, links will be provided to other individuals you may be interested in researching based on the current topic. To continue your research from the topic page, select a category of information sources. A page will then display all of the items of that source type, sorted by relevance. Select a title to retrieve the full source. But before selecting an item, you may want to explore the search filters on the side of the page to narrow down the list of sources. This is especially important if you have an overwhelming number of items to choose from. Filters include selecting a range of publication dates or a type of document. You may also want to try the Search Within box. Enter a word or short phrase that you require your sources to have in the text. Select an item to explore the full source. At the top of a source page, there will be a number of useful database tools. Select Send to save this information source to your Google Drive, OneDrive account, or email. Click Download to begin a PDF download of the item. Get Link provides you with the permanent link to the item, because like most databases, the address in the address bar cannot be copied and saved to go back to a specific page or item in the database. Cite provides you with a citation in different styles. Citations are auto-generated, so it is recommended that students consult the accuracy of a citation with one of the resources on the library's How to Cite page. Or you may be interested in exporting a citation to a Noodle Tools account, which you have free access to through our library. If you need help with this resource or any other library resource, please feel free to contact the library.